Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, February 20th of 2019. We do have some February birthdays to announce for today, so happy birthday to Arbella Rojas. So happy birthday to you. And we do have a couple more birthdays coming up through the rest of this week, so actually quite a bit of a list here for birthdays later on this week. Couple of announcements for today. We have McTeacher Night that was rescheduled from last week to today from 5 until 7. We also, if you have your World's Finest Chocolate money, that is due now. So if you turned it in, please do. That's great. Please turn it in as soon as you possibly can. We need it in. And then we also have our 5th graders going to do a band preview today in the morning. Also, yearbook club today after school. So it's a very busy day here at Perry Elementary. Our lunch choices for today, we have French toast bites with sausage, cheesy baked pasta with roll, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And today for pause, I thought I would change it up a little bit. One of the things that I did over the long weekend is I started to read a book about kindness and about paying people forward with great things that you might do for them. So I thought I would share a little bit of that with you about Color Your World with Kindness. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and maybe for today or through the rest of this week, you can find one act of kindness or a couple acts of kindness that you could do for your classmates, a friend, or for a teacher or another adult. So let's all try to do something with kindness for the rest of this week and making a choice to make sure that we're doing a better job helping somebody else out instead of ourselves. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. And boys and girls, let's make some great choices today. Let's make sure we do an act of kindness at least today. and let's make sure we go out and have the best day that we possibly can.